Hey everyone, so on this episode of Make It with Calvin, we're doing things a little bit different. This time around, I'm actually going to be trying out this Gladtop hot and cold laminator. And I know what you're thinking, what the heck do you need a laminator for, Calvin? Well, honestly, I've wanted to make some checklists for various things that get packed for either filming at events or going places, and I'll admit, when it comes time to getting ready to go, my mind goes into overdrive and I completely forget things. So I'm hoping that by having some laminated lists and say a dry erase marker, I can quickly go yes, 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 no, and go from there. So let's get this unboxed and see what the heck is inside. All right, so first things first, let's pop this bad boy open. We've got the user manual, always a good idea to read that. This appears to be some, oh wow, all different sizes of lamination bags. That's really nice. And, well, the unit itself, and oh, I think that's like a corner rounding tool. That's cool. All right. Don't need that. All right, so here's the unit itself. It's pretty tiny. On here is marked for up to an A3 size, letter size, A4 and A5, which are various paper sizes. And looks pretty simple to use. If I'm going to be using this, it will be in the hot function. So let me take a quick look at the manual, and I've actually got some stuff to laminate. All right, so according to the instructions, we turn that on, and then in about a minute, that will turn on. So while that happens, I'm gonna try and find a appropriately sized pouch. So there's no 8.5 by 11 sheet, so I'm sizes, so I'm stuck using the A3 here. So, oh well. Oops. Yeah, I think you definitely want to try and get this lined up straight as possible before you send it in. Alright, so that's done. Now we can set this to the off position. And now I can use the built-in cutter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave, a little bit of a gap. Oh, that's nice. And just like that, it's done. The nice thing about this cutter is it is wide enough to handle a American 8.5 by 11 size sheet, and also having this little black line on the top right there is super nice, so you can maintain a nice, even perimeter. There is included this tool, which I believe is for corner rounding. So I see you. Stick it in there like that, and then you, that's just baller right there. And I feel like I work in an office supply store now. So that is the laminator in action. I gotta say, this thing's pretty nice. I do wish it came out of the box with some 8.5 by 11 size sheet covers, but the advantage of having the A3 size ones is it's a little bit easier, and if you're smart, you could probably stack multiple smaller items in there. I just wanted to make the sheets as big as possible for the sake of simplicity. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you here next time on Make It with Calvin.